Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders that Jesus and his disciples performed. And may I wonder if you understand how powerful God is. Anyway, I hope you build your faith like how I build my faith. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, may I invite you to click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this reading with at least one other person. And if you haven't done it yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you know miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 37 to verse 43. The next day, when they come down from the mountain, one big crowd come meet them. One man in the crowd bawl out, "Teacher, beg you look pa me boy. Him a me one and only pitney. Sometime one spirit will take him over and him will start to bawl out. It make him flatter till him mouth frat up. The spirit hardly left him. It a mash him up. Me beg you special follower them for run out the spirit. But then couldn't do it. Jesus say, uno people will live in at that time here. Uno no believe. And uno no do what uno fi do. How much longer if it Tanya we don't know? And put up we don't know. Carry a boy come, him said to the man. Then when the boy did come to Jesus, the demon fling him a ground and the boy start flatter. But Jesus ordered the demon to come out and him cure the boy and give him back to him father. Everybody jaw drop when them see the power we God have. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.